G'day, I'm Paul West. I'm from a TV program called River Cottage Australia and Gardening Australia, all kinds of Australias really. And I'm up in Maitland doing a dinner with the lovely crew at the Pourhouse and the one and only beer Matt Kirkegaard. We're celebrating craft beer, we're celebrating local produce, good times, good people, good place. You can see I've really dressed up for the do at the art gallery tonight. I've got my King G shorts on and a t-shirt. Everyone in there is dressed to the nines. Looks like everyone's gonna have a really good night. We've got 3 courses of great food, matched beer. I've had a blast with these guys. They put on a really good show. They're good community people and they're good operators. So fingers crossed, we've still got 3 courses to go, but I reckon it's gonna be a top night. And hopefully at the end of it, I can even have a little beer myself.